Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is I am Mothoni. Today I'm going to show you how to prepare maggi soup. So tap on the subscription button to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and tap on the bell to get any notification that comes in whenever I post my video. So vegetable maggi soup, you cut a half onion into small portions, cut the kusa and potato, and also cut carrots into small portions. Let the carrot first boil for around 5 minutes because they are very hard. Then after they boil for 5 minutes, add the vegetables, add the kusa and the potato to the carrots as they boil all together. And also, because you're preparing a vegetable soup, you add onions and let them boil all together. Stir the mixture to be well and evenly distributed for better boiling and for it to be well done. So now, as you can see, when I press my vegetable, the fork has a way through, meaning my vegetable is well done now. Now we can add, because you see there is no water and we need to add the maggi soup, we can add 2 glasses of water. This is 1 and this is 2, so those are the 2 glasses of water. Then you add the maggi soup. Then you stir the mixture. You stir until the maggi soup dissolves. You stir for around 2 minutes. After you stir for 2 minutes, you wait for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, your maggi soup will be ready. So guys, this is the end product of my maggi soup. Wow, it looks yummy. This is for the diet people. This is my end product for the maggi soup. Thank you. Bye bye.